In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your location on Uber. Sharing your precise location can be incredibly useful, whether you're helping a friend find you or providing your loved ones with peace of mind as you travel. Let's dive into the simple process of sharing your trip details through the Uber app. First, make sure you have the Uber app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged in to your account. Open the app and you should see your home screen, where you usually request rides. If you don't have the latest version of the app, it's a good idea to update it through your phone's app store to ensure that you have all the latest features and enhancements. Now start by requesting a ride as you normally would. Enter your destination in the Where To field and choose your preferred ride option from the list. Once you've done this, select Confirm to book your trip. You'll see a confirmation screen with the details of your ride, including the driver's name, license plate number, and estimated time of arrival. As your ride is on the way, let's talk about how to keep your friends or family updated with your ride details. On the main trip screen, you'll notice a section called Share Trip Status. It can be found by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Tapping on this will allow you to share your trip details with others. This feature sends them your driver and vehicle information, along with your ETA and real-time updates, all without you having to do anything manually. This is a great way to ensure your intended recipient has all the information they need. When you tap Share Trip Status, you will see options for how to send this information. You might see some easy options like popular messaging apps or SMS, depending on your phone's setup. Choose the option that suits you best and select the contact or enter the phone number or email address of the person you want to share your trip with. The app will generate a message link that can be sent easily, letting them track your journey as it unfolds. Remember to explain to your contact that this link will let them see your location as you travel, helping them stay informed about your arrival. This added layer of security can make everyone feel more comfortable, especially if you're traveling at night or alone. Once you've arrived at your destination safely, the link will automatically expire, meaning that your location will no longer be transmitted. This ensures that your privacy is protected once the journey ends. That's all it takes to share your Uber location efficiently and securely. With this information at your fingertips, you can travel with added confidence and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and if this guide has helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.